This is a free app from Microsoft called Office Lens, and I'm using it on my iPad because the iOS version has a pretty cool tool. It actually has Immersive Reader built into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of this document, and you can choose on the side. There's whiteboard, document, business card, and photo as an option. For me, it's a document, so I'm going to tap the camera button. It takes the picture. Now in the next window, I can crop my image, and you can see it's great. Even if you kind of got it on an angle, you can line it up, and Office Lens will straighten it out for you, which is pretty handy. So that looks good. I'm going to tap Done in the bottom right corner. That's perfect. That looks like what I want. Now I'm going to tap the orange check mark. And you see one of the choices is Immersive Reader. You can also save to PDF, which is really handy because it's free. So I'm going to tap Immersive Reader, and now it'll open in Immersive Reader mode. Give it a moment. And I can hit the play button at the bottom. I can change where I want it to start. There we go.
Accessibility. Tools for everyone.
Over here, I can adjust the speaking rate.
This is how fast Immersive Reader will read.
On the bottom left, I can adjust if I want wide text spacing or adjust the size of the font, and then simply hit play.
By Karen Philher, Tech Trainer.
If I miss something, I can also back it up or fast forward. So all of that is pretty easily available right there from your iPhone or your iPad, and it's great. It can be just really quick.